Well, one local organization is committed to improving the health of low-income communities and creating the next generation of urban farmers.
And News Channel reporter Mina Wahab joins us live in studio with a look at how they're planting seeds for a food revolution.
The organization is called the Terrace Foundation. They believe that everyone deserves equal access to healthy eating options and freedom from food insecurity. That's why they work to empower people to grow their own food. The National Council on Aging says roughly 5.2 million older adults are food insecure in the United States. Santa Barbara County has been impacted.
516,000 senior citizens are suffering from malnutrition in our county. Not right.
Terrace Foundation founder John Jeffries is working to change that by focusing his efforts locally.
I saw a deficiency in the nutritional value of the food being given to our seniors. You know, even seniors in limited care are suffering from malnutrition because we're not giving them the right food.
He's connecting with Pilgrim Terrace cooperative homes to empower low-income seniors and disabled individuals to live a life that prioritizes healthy nutrition, mental and physical activity, and social interaction.
They eat, they break bread together, they become more sociable and more engaged in their own communities.
Residents here get access to one free healthy, nutritious meal a day, all made from the fresh ingredients on the urban farm right in their collective backyard.
It's all fresh right out of the garden. The vegetables, the salad, all the salad stuff. The soups are really good.
Jeffrey says paying attention to what we put into our bodies isn't enough. We also have to be aware of where the food is grown and how far it's traveled to get to our table.
You bag it, ship it, chill it, kill it, and you know, what good is it? By the time it gets to us, its nutritional value is 50% or more less than what it was when it was harvested.
The model here is harvest to plate, not farm to table. This means the ingredients are even fresher and retain more of their nutritional value. Workers here say anyone can have access to the urban farm and lunch meals by becoming a member. The proceeds generated by purchasing produce and becoming a member goes directly back into feeding the community. Live in studio, I'm News Channel reporter Mina Wahab.